Hey guys, OnePlus 12R aka OnePlus SA3 launched in China 4 January and globally launched in India 23 January 2024. Finally, some picture samples are already leaked, and as you can see that all the images look like too much good. OnePlus 12R also come with triple camera setup in the back, 50 megapixel Sony IMX890 main camera plus OIS, 8 megapixel ultra wide and 32 megapixel telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom which is Sony IMX709, and the front is also come with 32 megapixel selfie camera. OnePlus 12 aka OnePlus SA3 come with 6.78 inch 1.5K resolution BOE X1 OLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. OnePlus all set to launch next smartphone OnePlus 12R aka OnePlus SA3 next month, and the phone also comes with 4500 nits peak brightness as OnePlus 12, so that is very interesting. And the phone comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC with Adreno 740 GPU with LPDDR5X RAM up to 24 GB and LPDDR4X RAM storage with 1TB storage, and of course out of the box the phone running Android 14 with ColorOS 14. In the battery department, the phone also comes with a bigger battery mode than OnePlus 12. The phone comes with 5500 mAh battery with 100 watt fast charging. The phone also comes with IP64 rating, studio speaker, in-display fingerprint scanner. So that's pretty much for today's video, and if you found this video informative, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this as always. Thanks for watching and I will be catching the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.